How's it going, everyone? Hey, it's On the Road with Big Jimmy. I am Jim. Who are you? Alright, well, this is our pre-storm drive to go get stuff before the storm drive. We need dog food for Ernie, the black lab, and we need beer for Daddy. And then we're going to sit and watch movies all day. It's going to storm. We're going to get about 40 centimeters by Monday morning. Up to. What are you getting where you live? What are they forecasting? I have no idea what 40 centimeters is in Imperial. Centimeters. It's a lot. 18 inches, something like that. Yeah. 12 inches. 18 inches. I don't know. 8 times. 2.2 times whatever it is to get inches. So 40 divided by 2.2, about 16. Something like that. So we're gonna go. Go to the Real Atlantic Superstore first. That'll give us time to chat. What have you been doing? I haven't seen a flake of snow yet today, but believe me, it's on our way. The radar is absolutely blue. It's blue! So we're gonna get her. And the problem with this stuff is it's gonna be wet. And it's gonna be windy out, so. Well, the Olympics are over. See you in 4 years. Now the Summer Olympics come up in 2 years, so we'll see them. But anyway, no more Olympic stuff. So instead, what I plan on doing when I get my beer and bring it back, and you never know, on my other channel, Big Jimmy U, I may go out and test some gear outside when the snow arrives. I did bring my big snowsuit and boots from work home, so this is my pre-storm ritual. USA ready to head? You! Okay, so I worked last night, and I'm just adjusting some things. I adjusted the heat down, plus my bum was sizzling hot from the bum warmer here on this truck. So I worked last night, 8 last night till 8 this morning, and then I went to bed when I got home, fed the dogs, took them out, and then went to bed. Right now it's noon, so I slept for 3-4 hours, about 3.5 hours I slept, up to 11:30 or so, then get up, because I won't be able to sleep tonight if I don't. So, yeah, I plan on testing some fire pits. One's supposed to arrive tomorrow, propane one, and there's another one I already have that I'll probably try out today. Now I'll just burn what do you call it on those, fire log for testing purposes, because I'm home. I mean, I do have some wood, I guess, that I could test in my garage, but for right now it's a good idea for me just to test the fire logs. What do you like to watch for channels anyway? Are you into that, like camping and hiking and stuff like that? That's the bulk of mine. I do like exercise videos. I gotta go to the gym tomorrow after all this schmozzle clears up. It's ridiculous. So, March, I don't think there's, oh yeah, March break. March break's coming up for everybody. My kids are gone. I don't mean left my life or anything. They're just flew the nest. So, I don't usually take anything off for March anymore. You know, like typical family stuff we used to do on March break and stuff. We don't do anymore because they're all on their own. They're gone! Holy jumpins'. There's a international bridge to the USA on the right. Holy crap. What's going on in Mexico, huh? Big drug fight down there. Big scrap. You don't know what to do. I got a friend that's down there right now. Not like in the Puerto Vallarta area. I've got family in Nuevos Vallarta. It's about 30 kilometers away. One of them posted on Facebook yesterday that they could feel a bomb going off. That's nuts. That's testicles. Nobody likes to feel that. That's a bad feel. Here we are downtown. Right ahead, that yellow building way up there. That's the old train station here in St. Stephen, New Brunswick, Canada. Almost said USA. Picaroon's Brew House, and they're in the Five Kings restaurant now. Thank you very much. And we're burning up here, so McVeigh's Barber Shop on the right. You gotta love them. Gotta love them. The old greasy spoon. King Street Takeout there. That was on the left, that little white shack we're passing. Cutting a little bit of poopy. I hear a border chopper going. Over our Fairtan. Now that could be the RCMP's chopper, Canada Customs chopper, or the US chopper. We sort of share and go along each other's borders with our stuff. Only we do. It's flu and COVID season. Get your vaccines if you're old. Everyone's telling me that. Why don't you get yours then? Keep saying old people need vaccines. Oh no. We got a red. Tim Hortons on the right in there. I went, roll up the rim is back. Now I got a whole tons of prizes and stuff. There's an estate sale today at the Legion from 11 to 5. Well, it's kind of exciting. Yeah, roll up the rims back at Tim Hortons. If you don't know what that is, in the old days, you used to take a thumb and roll up the rim of your cup, and they'd either have a try again, usually. But sometimes they had some really good prizes, free donuts, coffee, stuff in there. Now I don't drink Tim Hortons as a rule. If I have a reason to go there, like hockey cards or something, I'll go do it. But it's not just Tim Hortons. I'm not a big coffee drinker. But I think it's all electronic now, the roll up the rim stuff. Who knows? May not be. Heading to the... Oh, we got another one. What in the world's going on in my life today? We're getting red lights galore. We're passing the Real Atlantic Superstore, not the fake one. Passing the real one. So it's before the storm. Look at those birds up there. Oh my gosh. Probably can't see a thing, can you? But the birds are flocking. They go nuts right before a storm, I noticed. They'll band together and like, hurry up, let's go. We gotta go find Dave. And they fly in flocks of anything. Get all set up to huddle together for the storm. Alright. We're gonna go in here now to the beer store. You see about 40 men and a couple of women that have to go in for their men because the men are at work right now. Still, I notice a lot of still disparaging difference in that. There's a lot of women staying home nowadays. Kind of like the old days. And the men, a lot of the men are at work, but and of course there's women that work, but and I venture, I guess, most women work. But there's a lot more women that don't work now that didn't work 4 or 5 years ago. At any rate, we're here at the beer store, and it's a very important place to be. So, if you like daily vlogs like this, why not give me a little shouty poo? You can spare it, so just give me a shout. And a thumbs up if you are already a sub. And if I like your... I answer all comments, so if you have any comments, you just put them down below and I'll get to them. But yeah, you can feel storm. And the weather network on my phone before I started this said snow's already started, but it hasn't. So anyway, we'll see you in the other channel. Big Jimmy U if I decide to do any gear reviewing today or tomorrow. And thank you.